what I recall was this man that was really pretty healthy, and he was always in motion and going, going strong, becoming weaker and weaker and weaker.
Chavez was in a little anteroom off the gas station. The gas station wasn't open at that point. It was still unfinished. And he was on a cot there. And so as we walked, Bob and I walked towards it with Loris and a couple of others, he said, "What do you say to a guy who's coming out of the fast?" "Oh, why don't you say, 'How are you, Cesar?'" So Bob laughed. He said, "Good idea." So that's what he did.
I greeted Bobby at the airport when he came, and then Cesar was fasting, and we took him over to this little gas station that we had.
Well,
we had kind of
lots of grapes.
All of us are looking for a union for farm workers.
He went to see Cesar. He was accompanied by Peter Edelman, and they went to see Cesar and spoke to him, and then he had to go to the bathroom. And we couldn't find an open bathroom because everything was locked up, so we were just panicked. So we had to go to several houses because everybody had gone to the park, right? Everybody had gone to the park there to be, for the mass and the ceremonies there. And so we finally found one house of one of our staff members that was still there at their house, so he could go to the bathroom. That was the first panic that we had.
People excited. It was like royalty, and people were just like, we're pushing each other to kind of get a glimpse at him and try to touch him.
They had made this plan where they're going to have everybody was going to be lined up with the flags with the eagles on them, and Bobby was going to walk down in the middle. It was going to be very ceremonial. Well, the minute he got up there, everybody